Hey everyone, we have talked about the ProtOn wedge and the ProtOn air in our two previous videos. Now we will talk about the last tool of this new line. Some of our customers call it the Speedy. The ProtOn PRE FAB.
Prefab stands for prefabricating material, and that is exactly what this tool is especially made for. This wedge welder is used to prefabricate thin membranes in-house in a very fast speed. You can weld up to 10 meters per minute. The welding range is from 0.3 to 1.2 millimeter depending on the material. Before we can start welding, we need to find out the pressure point 0. For that, we open the pressure lever to have enough space. Then we put in 2 pieces of our material. We close the machine and turn the adjustment screw until we can feel a slight scratching on the surface of the material. Now we have the pressure point 0. The next step is now to adjust the pressure we need. In our example, we have TPO material 0.5 mm, which needs approximately 300 Newton pressure. One step on the adjustment screw is 150 Newton. This means we need 2 steps to get to 300 Newton. Never go over 800 Newton. If you do, you will have mechanical damages on the tool in a short time. When you receive the ProtOn PRE FAB from myBAK, we will adjust everything for TPO material 0.5 mm. We can adjust the upper and the lower material guide. You can move them to the left or to the right to adjust overlap for your application. Now we can go to the next step and turn the machine on. We plug it in and switch the main switch on. We can adjust the temperature with the controller. Just go to your desired temperature with the buttons. The temperature is adjustable from 0 to 300 degrees. In our example, we work with TPO 0.5 mm thickness. We will use a temperature of 280 degrees and a speed of 4.3 meters per minute. The speed maximum is 10 meters per minute. Here we have 2 fuses for the drive and the heater. This is a protection for the machine. Before you start welding, you always need to do a test welding. We will do that right now. The test welding went well. It makes sense to adjust the rollers after the test welding. After that, you can start to do the real welding. If you always weld with the same material, you only have to do all the adjusting we did now once. But we recommend doing the test welding every day you start to weld again. One amazing feature is the GPS tracking. In every ProtOn PRE FAB you purchase, you have an integrated GPS tracker. With this tracker, you can check the location of your machine, once it's plugged in and also for approximately 2 hours after it's plugged out. You can check the location via our new myBAK app. We will start to add even more features to the app soon, so be sure to check it out. Then we have this nice sticker here, which means that the ProtOn PRE FAB is 100% produced in Switzerland. 100% Swiss quality in our facility in Kearns, Obwalden, with our employees who work every day to provide you with the best machines and, equally important, the best service. The new ProtOn PRE FAB is available now. Send us an email for a quote.